Hey, this is Tony from nHUNTn. We're out here in the marsh again, the little Prairie Marsh, another bluebird day. Well, a little hazy. I just wanted to check it out this afternoon and see how the afternoon looks. So right now, it looks like not much going on. So I was bored, so I built this impromptu blind. I don't know how long it'll last. I need to grass it in some more, but I don't know, something to do as I just kind of see if anything was going on. So have at it. I hope you guys enjoy the footage. It's gonna be a short video, it looks like, so we'll catch you later. Shucks. That's funny. Dusted. All right, I got one. All right, so we got him. I'm gonna sit down. It's not a goose. It's not a goose, it's a pelican. It's a pelican. You want to see him? Hope maybe you can see him.
I can't see anything. Your camera's off.
I know, I'm trying to turn it on before he flies away. Time to pick him up, boys. Time to pick him up. We're gonna go fishing. Decent. I heard a quack. America.